Yeah, bite my letter, huh? Bite my letter. Where you get the letter from? Where you get the letter from?
Look, the little one. Why you bite the letter? Look cute, right?
Yeah. Where's my dear letter? Where? Where?
Ew. Go so to go.
So how does it taste like?
Hey,
How does
you
it
eat the
taste like?
paper. You cannot eat the paper.
No, you. No, you. Come here, open my good girl, okay? Open it. Open. Okay, baby. Oh my god, it's oh my god.
No, you eat that.
Oh my god, this is so
Okay,
weird.
no more. Can eat paper.
So, is it nice, the paper? Is it crunchy?
Yeah, I always bite my hands, huh? You love my hands, right? Right? Is it tasty?
Hmm?
Your teeth is very sharp.
Cute, cute.
Yeah.
Cute, cute. Yeah, bite her hands. Fingers off.
Come on, come. Come here, sweetie. Cutie, come. Come. Cutie, come. Come here. Cutie, come. You don't want that?
Do you want to bite the paper again?
So how's the patrolling around?
Yeah,
No, you
found
cannot
the
keep biting
other.
things, huh? Come here.
Hi there. Oh my god. Yeah. Comfortable?
Okay, cutie. You are going to touch the wire. Ha. Hey, what are you eating? So cute, are you? Hmm? Yeah.